Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit a Reddit post title and is it possible? So unfortunately, as of this year, Reddit still doesn't allow users to edit a post title once the post has been published. This applies to all types of posts, text, image, a link. However, you can just basically delete your post and then type it or post it again. So basically, if that is the new rule for Reddit, as you can see, if I tap this at three dots, I cannot find any edit option right here, just edit flare, but there is no edit post, edit caption, or edit picture. There is none. That is to prevent bait and switch or misleading edits or maintain trust and consistency in post visibility. So, option one, delete and repost with a new title. This is the only way to change the title. So, go to your post on Reddit, click the three dots, and then delete, confirm deletion. Now, you have to create a new post with the corrected or updated title. You will lose any existing comments and app votes on the original post, and that is the saddest part. So, again, that is the option one. You just have to simply create or repost with a new title. So, in some subreddits, moderators may agree to remove your post so you can repost it with a fixed title or allow you to repost without penalty. So, again, you cannot edit a Reddit post title directly. You can only delete and repost your title, even your images and text. For small mistakes, clarify in the post body and ask mods if the post is very important. So that's it. Again, you cannot basically edit a post on Reddit. You can just repost or you can just delete this one and then post again. So you must be very careful when it comes to posting here on Reddit. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.